In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your name on Pinterest. As you can see, I'm on Pinterest app right now. This will work both on Android and on iOS. I'm going to show you this in this video. So the first step is open up your app, then go to the profile bar over here. Now you want to hit edit profile, the first one. Hit edit profile, and as you can see, here's your first name, your surname, and your username. So I'm going to change my username by just adding this. Then hit done. And it's already taken, so I'm doing something else like this, and then hit done again. And as you can see, my profile has been updated, and when I go to my profile, it says my username has changed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.